The Byzantine Empire, which emerged from the eastern half of the Roman Empire, experienced a period of decline in the 7th and 8th centuries. However, in the late 8th century, a new dynasty, the Macedonian dynasty, came to power and initiated a period of Byzantine restoration. The Macedonian dynasty was founded by Basil I, who ruled from 867 to 886. He came to power after a period of internal strife and began a program of military and administrative reforms that would strengthen the Byzantine state. Basil's military reforms included the creation of a professional standing army, the use of a new type of heavy cavalry called the cataphract, and the expansion of the navy. He also reformed the administration by dividing the empire into themes or provinces, each governed by a military governor or strategos. Basil's successors continued his policies and expanded the empire's territories. They waged successful wars against the Bulgars and the Arabs and also defeated the Rus and the Magyars. They also made important cultural and religious contributions. The Emperor Leo VI the Wise codified Byzantine law and promoted the arts and education. The Empress Theodora sponsored the construction of hospitals and orphanages and also supported the monastic movement. The Byzantine Restoration reached its height under the Emperor Basil II, who ruled from 976 to 1025. He continued his predecessor's policies of military expansion and administrative reform, and also made important contributions to the cultural and religious life of the empire. He waged a series of successful wars against the Bulgars, which culminated in the annexation of Bulgaria in 1018. He also reorganized the administration of the church and promoted the development of the Byzantine liturgy. The Byzantine Restoration came to an end in the 11th century, when the empire began to face new challenges from the west and the east. In the west, the Normans invaded Italy and threatened the Byzantine possessions in southern Italy. In the east, the Seljuk Turks began to expand into Byzantine territories in Anatolia. These challenges would ultimately lead to the decline and fall of the Byzantine Empire in the 15th century. Nevertheless, the Byzantine Restoration was a remarkable period in the history of the empire. It demonstrated the ability of the Byzantines to recover from periods of decline and to adapt to changing circumstances. It also produced a rich legacy of cultural and intellectual achievements that would influence the development of the Mediterranean world for centuries to come.